this Zoom?
Yes, I looked around.
You suggested it.
Yes, I couldn't believe I said it. I thought somebody else must be talking. The words were just coming out of me, Nina. I had no idea what I was saying. I had no idea what anything even meant. I was talking about reeds. Coltrane.
What is
Who's
that?
Coltrane? That's what I want to know.
You probably read it.
Oh hey, what's up? This is my room tour video, so let's get started. So when you walk in my room, this is kind of what you see. I have this carpet that I actually got from IKEA. I feel like a lot of people have this, but I like it because it kind of looks like grass. I just needed some green in the room. Then I got this rack from IKEA as well. I think most people have this in their room tour videos. This was pretty cheap. I just needed a rack and I didn't feel like bringing the one that I have from back home in my other room tour. So I have that. I think it was about 20 bucks. And then on here I just have collective pieces from summer and also fall. So it's just kind of like depending on what the weather's like outside. That's usually what I end up doing. Then I have this little shelf system that I got from Target. And I think that was like 10 bucks. Really clutch because that's just kind of like everything that I use on a daily basis. So it's easy because it's right there. So as I'm about to leave this plant, this is just honestly going to be an IKEA haul. So I got this plant. I think I actually mentioned this in the video that I did a while back, which was like a vlog. And I got that and I hung it there. I put it there on purpose so that it covered the lights that I have in my room. So you can't really notice where it actually is coming from. And then I got these two frames from Urban Outfitters. I purchased these during Black Friday and they were originally priced for 2 for $15, but since it was half off, I got it for 2 for $7, which was pretty clutch. That little tray that I actually had in my other room tour video. I don't remember where I got that, to be honest. Then I have this Doc Martens bag because I work there, and I just kind of put stuff that I don't want out. Then right next to my bed, I have these necklaces that I literally wear every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that that's all I ever wear. I got these actually from, if anybody was wondering, I got this one from an art and beer festival, and then I got this one actually from New York, and it's pretty nice. And then this one was from the flea market. Then to the left, I have my bags. So if you didn't know, in LA, you can't, like, you don't receive bags for free. So everywhere that I usually go, if I'm getting groceries or if I'm going shopping, I'll bring one of these. So this L Train Vintage one is usually my groceries bag because it's structured, so it's easy to put everything away. This is usually my laundry or my shopping bag. And then this is like my everyday bag, so for work, I'll just bring like my water, my tea and stuff. And then this one's for like my laptop and stuff. And then on here, I have this coat hanger thing. I don't know, I just put my bathrobe and jeans that I just wore. Underneath my bed I have these two storage things. They match the bed, so I was like, might as well just get it. I got those from IKEA as well. I can't remember where I got this. This was also in my last room tour video. White one as well. This blanket I've actually had for so long, it's crazy. I just put that along the headboard because I didn't really like it and I thought it added something else, and I don't know, I really liked how that looked. So I got that from when I went to Mexico all the way like in senior year, so it's insane to me that I still have it, and I used to use it for like all bonfires. So then I have this Van Gogh painting, and I watched Midnight in Paris and I love that movie, so I was like, I think this fits and I'm gonna just put it in my room. Oh, I also have this blanket that I got from IKEA. That one's really nice because I can just throw it and it doesn't really look bad. Then I also have this like corner right here, which is kind of like my workout corner. I have my yoga mat, my gym shoes, some weights, and then my slides. This carpet's also from IKEA. I just kind of wanted some more blue in the room. This piece from the thrift store, which is beautiful. I can't wait to use that in my next place. Then I got, oh, there's me. Then I got this piece from Society 6, which is really nice. I also got this one from Society 6 as well. Just says that. It's just motivating. Also this I've had for a while too. That's from like college. And then I have this. This is more like for me, just like a everyday reminder, like give yourself a try. Oh, and the stool is from Goodwill as well. I get a lot of things just thrifting. I think it's great putting a new purpose on things that somebody else was gonna throw out. Definitely always check out your Goodwills for some new finds and furniture. Then I have this plant as well from Goodwill, and this fan, I don't know why it generates so much heat that I need a fan. So sometimes when it's really cold, I still turn it on just because it's comfortable. I'd rather be freezing and bundled up. And then I have my plants. This is Parker and Harry. I wanted like androgynous names that like could work for a guy or girl, or vice versa, and those just seemed like it made sense. And then I have this little guy right here. I don't even know what I would call this. It's like my little storage bin, and in here I have like a lot of other stuff that I use daily, but it's just tucked away, so like face masks and hair products. I actually got this from my friend in Portland, so I don't know where you would get that. And then I have these like postcards. I don't know who I'm gonna send these to, but maybe someday. Yeah. And then here we have everyday glasses. I use this hair stuff pretty frequently. It just depends on when my hair is curly or blow dried. Then I have a lighter for the candle, my watch, jewelry, candle, and then this is like just like where I put all my coins. And the salt lamp, that's actually Issa's, but yeah, she lets me use it, and it's nice at night. I'll probably insert what my room looks like at night. And then here is like my recording stuff whenever I decide to have the courage to film a cover. And down here I have this other bin from IKEA. Also this whole like bookshelf type thing is from IKEA as well, so you guys can find it. That bin is just filled with all my hats, and yeah, whenever I have like a really bad hair day, I'm like, sure. Couple books up there that I've read throughout the years, and a picture frame of my parents. I got this from work. Really don't know what it was. They were just giving it away, and I thought it would look nice at our new place in our kitchen or something. So I was like, sure, I'll hold it in my room for a while. Then I have this picture from a photo booth from the night that me and Issa went to the 4100 bar with our friends. If you guys watched my last thrift haul, I picked up that painting. And yeah, that was a pretty good find, and the frame is really good as well. Then I have that leaf that I got from Urban Outfitters. I think it was like $5 because I got it when it was like on sale or something. I was like, sure, why not? And then I have all my vinyls. This little nightstand, I guess you could say, is also from IKEA. I think I paid like $15 for it. And then this mirror I purchased from, I think, another Goodwill that I found when I first moved here, which was really clutch. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about where I got anything from that I didn't really mention, just let me know down below. I'll make sure to answer all your questions. And yeah, bye guys.